Hello lovelies, welcome once again to my kitchen. In today's recipe we are going to make chicken and potatoes, so grab your apron and let's get started. You really need to try this recipe. It was so delicious, and if you have any questions or suggestions, just leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Say hello to healthy hair. Find all you need for the perfect hair routine with our hair care products. Our specialized complete hair washing kit, beard growth oil, dandruff treatment oil, and extra hold gel works wonders. Order yours now, available now in the UK and we deliver worldwide.